Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another one of my videos. This video I'm showing you this pink look. It looks super cute and like glam, and it's like Barbie inspired. Like after I watched that movie, I've just been so obsessed with pink and Barbie itself. So I hope that you guys like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, this will be a very simple makeup but super easy, and I've been obsessed with pink. So ever since watching the Barbie movie, I love it. So we're gonna start by using the facelift palette by Lunar Beauty, and we're gonna take this Kai Kai eyeshadow, which is like a very bright pink. So we're gonna do that all over our eyelid. And so I had already primed my eyelids. Let me know if you guys would want me to do a video on how to prime it and how to make your eyeshadows last longer. You could do something like that. What I love about this palette, it has like little to no fallout, so you can have your foundation already done and everything, and like you won't have any like of that powder coming off. Right after this, I'll be taking the full Fantasy and add it to the inner corner of my eye. And kind of like bring it inwards. Like, now we're gonna apply a little bit of the Diva eyeshadow just like on the eyelid to do some kind of ombre too. I'm just like tapping it. And go back to the Kai Kai eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna do some wing eyeliner, and I'm gonna do that off camera so that everything can be straight and they both match. And we have something looking like this, and now we're gonna clean it up with some concealer. And we're gonna apply some mascara. For this, I'm using the Urban Decay Wild Mascara. This is a vegan mascara, so I love it even more. Now we're gonna be applying falsies, but I always like doing mascara before the falsies. That is drying. We do wanna add some rhinestones that have like this little pearl that I'm gonna be applying on the eyelid. So I'm gonna be applying it. So switch camera because the one less time, but I apply the pearls on this side, and we'll apply the other ones as well. Alrighty, we got our pearls, and then for lashes, I'll be doing the Glamnetic lashes. These are literally my favorite ones. They're super easy to apply and everything easy and so pretty about them. So we need the magnetic eyeliner, and I'll be applying that. What I love about this eyeliner too is it's like a pen, so you won't like smudge it or do anything with it. I have these thingies to grab my lashes, which makes everything easier for the application and everything. If you want me to go in depth with like how to apply eyelashes, like not just magnetic ones but regular ones, like let me know and I can do a video for you guys. And if you struggle with like putting like the placement of the lashes and like how to glue them, then these are your go-to, because as soon as like they feel the eyeliner, they just like clasp to it kind of thing. And this is what it looks like. Now to finish everything up, we're gonna add some highlighters, bronzer and everything. So I'll do some of the ambitious blush slash bronzer that I have here, and a little bit of a highlighter. This is the Empowered highlighter here, and by the way, this is the Blank palette, like face palette. And we also want to add some eyeshadow to our lower lash line, so I'll be doing that just to finish up everything. That's it for this video. I hope that you guys like it, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like me to do, and I'm so happy to be back doing some makeup videos. I think I'll do some more with like pink eyeshadows and pink looks, and also a lot more with like rhinestones. I love doing that kind of stuff. Thank you so much. Bye guys.